Hey my people, hey, welcome back to another video, y'all. Welcome back. Today, kind of like a challenge. Kind of like a, we're about to find out. Yep, we're about to find out. Y'all can see what's going on here. Okay? Now, when I say it's like a challenge, we're about to find out. It's been about 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks, these things been out of the car. I've been shaking this can for like the past 5 minutes. Saying to myself, should I? But we're just gonna go ahead and do it. I got all the rust gone. I cleaned them up. I even took the valve cover off and said, you know what? Let me go ahead and let everything match somewhat. Y'all know me. Custom work, it don't always go down. I can't leave it stock. I just can't. I can't. But let me get you guys on the tripod, and we're gonna go ahead and throw some primer on these parts, and I'll let them sit in here and bake over the weekend. Come back Monday and start throwing paint. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm gonna take my time. Here we go. First coat. Coming out nice. I'm gonna try and get at least 2 coats on it today. Like I said, leave it over the weekend, let it bake, start throwing color Monday morning when I get back. It's looking good so far. Got in this morning. I already threw a coat on. Forgot to record it, but this is the VHT silver. So I have one more coat, and then I can start doing my custom touch to it. I really should have polished this. You can see all the little imperfections and stuff from the casting, but it's all right. It's all good. So I've been BSing all day and not recording. I don't know why. Just didn't have the motivation at all to work on this. That is the valve cover so far. Intake manifold. I know you're probably saying, ugh, that's an ugly color. And if you know me, just wait. Just wait. Alright? Just hold on. Desired effects that I'm going for. It's all custom. We're almost there. Almost there. And see that look. Too much dust. I don't. Well, I wanted different. I guess you can say I got different. This is what I ended up with. Snail came out perfect, just like I hoped. Intake, on the other hand, though, workable. Valve cover, lovely. As you can see, this is what we ended up with. It is not done as yet. We still have clear coat to go. I'm gonna let them sit like this for 2 days so I can take the masking tape off and clear everything up. But this is what we're looking at so far. I didn't want it to be one solid color. But then this is beautiful. This came out exactly the way I wanted it to. So I'm happy with this. 100% happy. Here is the 95% finished product. I have one more coat of clear to go. There it is. Darker than I planned for, but nice nonetheless. Now, just have to one more coat, let it sit for 2-3 hours in the sun and bake. Then I'll start peeling the masking tape and putting everything back together. Here are the colors I used. All right, flame-proof primer, flame-proof header paint, black colored chrome, Rust-Oleum, dupli-color. I used the Chrysler color to match your car. Shifts of this just a little bit. Color shift, Rust-Oleum, dupli-color effects, and lastly, engine enamel clear. So here we have the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, maybe I should take it outside so you guys can see it in the sunlight. Totally different. I want to publicly say thank you to all 38 of you that watched my last video. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. If you could do me a favor though, if all 38 of you watch this one, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If not, leave a comment. Let me know why you don't like it. I appreciate you guys watching. I love you all. And in the install video, I'll be wearing a new t-shirt so you guys can see. Okay? But one last time, that's what I used. And that was the outcome. Thank you guys so much. I love you. And I'll catch you in the next video.